Takarazukushi Bernal Cutlery House Brand Combination 400 1000 ceramic stone. This is our 400,000 grit combination stone, and we developed this stone to work on Western stainless knives that are real dull, as well as for doing moderate reshaping and repair work, thinning and whatnot on Japanese knives, either single bevel or wide double bevel knives. And this 400 is just a little bit softer than the yellow marble. It cuts just a little bit shallower, but is a real versatile stone as well. Works on lots of different kinds of steel. This is the semi-soft yellow ceramic stone, and this is great for finishing off a lot of Western stainless steels that need a toothier finish to give a long-lasting cut, and it also is a great platform to work off of for polishing. So for a single bevel or wide bevel knife that you're going to be putting a fine finish on, this finish that this stone leaves is a really great platform to work off of. These two stones work really nicely together. This stone removes the scratches from that softer 400 really nicely. We experimented with lots of different stones before we came up with this one in concert with each other, and so we're real happy with the results here. One thing we should mention with this stone is don't soak it for longer than 20-30 minutes. If you leave this in water constantly, which is all right for ceramic stones normally because they don't have any binder in them, but the glue that's used on these stones can come apart if you leave it in water, for days on end. So don't do that. But otherwise, really happy with this stone.